You dey there, you cover your face, you dey under mask, you dey pinch me. Why you for do that? I dey respect your hustle, you too for respect my own. You bab, if I no dey under, then you dey try sabotage my career. You no go fit do that, cause man is blessed. You think say you get money? When you get money, when you start to get money, we will start to get money, we be kiddies.
Hello guys, I'm back again. I go by the name Tony P, aka Pudi, aka P, or aka Cappuccino, aka Entroffic, aka the Short Man Devil, aka Hey Unya. Every day I keep on telling you, say, oh, you're upcoming artist, and I say, oh, product, and I say, oh, brand, be now per se. You promote my work, especially the upcoming artist. This is your platform. Make sure you call me or you WhatsApp me on 0245 311 Charlie, who WhatsApp me? Please try and be brief. And say, hi, how are you? They know. When you WhatsApp me, just go straight to the point. Like, say all I want to say in just one message. What I say? Yes, Yanko straight into business. Okay, so one, yeah. Ha, Charlie, things that happen on. As you see, say, okay, so one go to on the dusty way and the dusty sack out from studio way. Okay, so one just the not what John was I want to see. The way Orchestra One blast medical, we all know say I'm the Kenny Orchestra One they be cool, yes. Like they be like potted and baller, pet and baller, yes. Or they be like say carpenter and then the hammer, yes. Medical and Orchestra One day together, like we all know say them be good friends. Like some of us think say like Orchestra One say be like falling back to medical, yes. But see, Charlie. Orchestra One, the way you can blast that medical, you can blast medical, say medical be ungrateful, medical, you saw medical for street top way, you try to help medical, way medical right now, medical they do sell out and things, right now medical they sell kose and cocoa, Charlie, not be easy, not be easy, where you can they talk say, it be medical way, you can't talk, and they don't say, make it sackam, you know they respect this but and things, but according to Orchestra One, he they talk say he be him boss or no a boss sudada and obesha medical or tries obesha or medical. But this is say right now no he no deal with medical again. That be the fact. He they talk say not me oh he they talk say right now no he no deal with medical again. So as he not deal with medical again, where he try they do in own thing, where medical no they get the support where he they give them before no where medical start the ball where medical go wear mask according to Orchestra One. He say medical go wear mask where he paint and black. Massa, I'm not here to take too much of your time. You now take your time then watch the video. But you now talk. The way you blast medical, Charlie, BB Besio. But me, no, if it be true, the American no do more. Yes, frankly speaking, you see say me every day at the talk say I stand for the truth. And me, yes, I'll be the mouthpiece of everybody, yes. Like the way Orchestra One they talk out for here are the block video. Because when they talk out of emotions, yes, and there's no way this thing Orchestra One they talk be lies, because Orchestra One say it be in own chairman, not in there with medical way in the help medical asemo. No, also no about medical. You guys watch the video. Who you are just comment. Make I know your comments. Say record do comment and cry. Just WhatsApp me now for comment and recording me. And medical will come and respond to that comment. Because see, as at time I'm waiting for medical to explain his own. I saw also back Canada because the way Orchestra One blast time no, he blast up. I not see this can be before. Like say Kwame Eugene then Kiddy go the fight. Hey, yeah. You watch this video. Watch the video then. I mean, let me know your comment. But hey, make sure say you subscribe before after watching or before watching. Comment, like, and share. Yes, contact me for all your promotional packages. Yes, we are upcoming artists. Hope I me grant to interview. Interview the most like times I they do them for free. If I see say you the force, yeah, you be upcoming where you the force, where you get music video, where like you do your best. I go feel interview you, then I go feel promote you small. Yes, small like the little things what I feel do for a brother or like for a sister. I will take you, but see. Yeah. Hey, boys, simple. Yeah. So now, enjoy the video. I'll be right back.
So there is this issue that I've been waiting to touch on. Like right now, I think so for address them, because if I know address people will get some different mentality, then they go get brainwashed. Things we them not know way them go believe. So first of all, we could talk about Okese1. Who is Okese1? That Andy Dusty they claim say you know even know Okese1. Meanwhile, he call on phone say, oh, Okese1 there are they feeling songs, wow, they listen to his songs, are they feeling vibe. So somebody where you they feeling vibe, he come your studio, go fit talk say, gentleman, are you Okese1? Are you this? Are you that? In the first place, as a professional presenter, you should know that artists they have ego. So your introduction or gentleman, then no, as he say no, this interview no go fit come on, because I was waiting for him to get done with everything. Then I will make him know say you for be professional, because you know be just anybody they come interview. If I come for your interview, you for not say you yourself you are blessed. Yeah, for sure, because I know they move like that. I don't just walk around and enter somebody in studio and then do anything I want. I they respect people. But I'm not touching on that issue right now. They can show you who I be, then how people foresee me. Okese1 be the CEO of Amotia Gang. Amotia Gang no day under anybody, no day under any other level or something. Amotia Gang be your own movement where they. Now we just entered the music scene. Now Ghanaians are about to witness our works. Then whatever we've planned to bring out. I feel I'm be feeling movement near. So if you don't know Amotia Gang, Okese1 is the CEO, and Amotia Gang is not a movement that people have. It's not how people think it is. Not that we do something scary, something spiritual. It's all about music, then helping people on the streets. As I start my life, nobody helped me in this life. We go fit us say Okese1, it be me, I they give him this money, Okese1, I give him this, I give him that. Nobody. It be me, the Okese1, I they support people on the street. I have helped a whole lot of people, but people are really, really ungrateful people. I've helped people on the street with my own money. I've supported other rappers in my career too. I've given them the best support that I could. So if you see say I did retain you rapper with the role, no be say I be in boy or I be small boy or something. I be my own chairman where I dey help people, where I get friends too. So if you see I dey roll with someone, no be say I get cute face, I get small body, I dey look cute. So you think say I be somebody in small boy. Make you not make the looks deceive you. Okese1 is a whole chairman himself, where they offer help, we go fit offer people. I've helped people, but as I said, people are very ungrateful. No way you can change people. So if you see I deal with any rapper or I deal with anybody where you think say Okese1, they rather take support from this person, then it be lie. It be Okese1 rather giving out his support. So I've never been under anyone. People are rather using me. They are rather getting their help from me. I personally, I started having money long time. I started making money long time. I be rich man, I dey my day. I dey support people. I dey do anything I can to help people out. But people sell out. That be why I dey move all alone now. I dey handle everything myself. So make you never think say, okay, so one day and do anything. No. We get affiliation with AMG. We be cool. But no be say, okay, so one day under something or a day under anyone. No. We dey run on our own movement. I'm Oti again. And I be the CEO. Fifi made it, the manager. We get people in a team. So make you not make anyone brainwash you. You back. So imagine say me a day on street. I know they do music. I dey just do my business. I dey hammer on my project. I dey build my house. I dey do this. I dey do that. That time I know they do music. I just dey help people who were close to me. So if you see I dey with anyone, no be say I dey with a person for something or anything. Me, I rather they offer my help any way I could. No be the people rather they give me help. No, nobody ever helped me. Nobody ever give me one CD before. Always it be me them go call. Okay, so one, I dey need this money, do this. Then I say, oh no, yawa, send me account. I go send give you. Okay, so one, I got stuck here. Help me. I go do all these things we need to talk for outside because I be one real G. But as I said, people are ungrateful because them things say then get the media hype and things, so then go talk something different, give the fans, make the fans rather think different. So let's go to the issue. If we dey on street, you dey with a case one, where you dey mess up, where I find my way, I dey do my own thing. You too, for do your own thing, you for no try to pinch me down. You dey there, you cover your face, you dey under mask, you dey pinch me. Why you for do that? I dey respect your hustle, you too for respect my own. You bab, you for no dey under, then you dey try sabotage my career. You no go fit do that, cause man is blessed. You think say you get money? When you get money, when you start to get money, we will start to get money, we be kiddies. That's why we get respect for people. That's why we dey humble on our body. We know they talk much because we see money. What you see? What you get? When you start to drive Range Rover, when you start to drive better Range Rover, when you start buy Benz, when you start to enjoy life, are you really a landlord? We build house. I built my house. Now I did like 20 years or something. That time I built my mansion.